Dear students, now let us discuss the question number 3 of exercise number 7.1. The question is like this: determine the points with coordinates 1, 5, 2, 3 and minus 2, 11, minus 11 are collinear. What do you mean the collinear points? Collinear points are those points which are lying on the same straight line. ಯಾವ ಮೂರು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸು ಒಂದೇ ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇರ್ತಾವೋ ಅವುಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕೊಲಿನಿಯರ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್, ಏಕರೇಖಾಗತ ಸರಳ ರೇಖಾಗತ ಬಿಂದುಗಳು ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ವೆನ್ ದ 3 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಲೈನ್ ದೆನ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಕೊಲಿನಿಯರ್. ನಾವು ಈಗ ಇದನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಹೇಗೆ? ಈಗ ಈ 3 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ಒಂದೊಂದು ಹೆಸರು ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಎ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಅಥವಾ ಪಿ ಕ್ಯೂ ಆರ್ ಹೀಗೆ ಹೆಸರುಗಳನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಲೆಟ್ the first point P is with coordinate 1 and 5, and the second point Q with coordinate 2 and 3, and the third point B R with coordinate minus 2 and minus 11. Now we have to find the distance between these 2 points, distance between these 2 points and distance between the first and the last point. If sum of the any 2 points, for example PQ and QR, the sum of PQ and QR is equal to PR, then they are collinear. If the sum is not equal to the third side, then they are not collinear. If their sum is equal to each other, then they are collinear. So for this purpose we have to use distance formula. So we know the distance formula between 2 points with coordinate x1 y1 and x2 y2 is d is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square units. So now we have to find PQ, that is the distance between PQ. For this purpose x2 is 2, x1 is 1, y2 is 3 and y1 is 5. So substitute these values. X2 is 2 minus x1 is 1 square plus y2 is 3 minus y1 is 5 square. So 2 minus 1 whole square means it is 1 square plus 3 minus 5 is minus 2 square. So which is equal to 1 plus minus 2 whole square means 4, it is root 5 units. Now the distance between second and third point, that is QR. Again we have to find the distance between Q and R with this formula, but taking x2 as minus 2 and x1 as plus 2, y2 as minus 11 and y1 as 3. Now substitute the values. x2 is minus 2 here, minus is here, x1 is 2 square plus y2 is minus 11, minus is here, y1 is 3 square. So equals minus 2 means it is minus 4 square plus minus 11 minus 3 means it is minus 14 square. So minus 4 square means it is 16 plus minus 14 square means it is 196. When we add these two numbers, it becomes root of 212 units. Next, the distance between first point P and R, that is PR. we have to use the same distance formula by taking this one as x1 y1, this one as x2 y2. So, x2 value is minus 2 minus x1 value is minus plus 1, that is minus 1 square, plus y2 value is minus 11. So, minus the y2 value is 5 here, so square. So, now it becomes minus 2 minus 1 becomes minus 3 square, plus minus 11 minus 5 becomes minus 16 square. So, minus 3 square means it is 9, plus minus 16 square means it is 256. When we add these two numbers, it is square root of 265 units. So, the distance between P and Q is root 5 units. The distance between Q and R, QR is root 212 units. The distance between P and R, that is PR, is square root of 265 units. Here PQ plus QR is not equal to PR. So, as the sum of these two distances is not equal to this one, so point P, Q and R are non-collinear. If the sum of these two is equal to this one, then it will be a collinear point, but here the sum of these two is not equal to the distance between the third distance. So, P, Q and R are non-collinear, they are not collinear.